Everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Shweta and in today's video we are going to dive into object oriented programming introduction. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out of any my upcoming tutorials. So let's get started. What is OOPS? So OOPS is a object oriented programming is a programming paradigm that structures software into reusable objects. And objects is a bundle of data like attributes and behaviors like method is designed to model entities in the real or conceptual world. So, for example, in a library system, object is a book and the attributes data like a title, author, ISBN, and the methods like behavior is borrow and returns. So here is the system. We are using a OOPS concept to make this system. Okay. Importance in programming. So the encourage reusability of code. Write once, reuse in multiple scenarios. Simplify complex system by breaking them into a smaller and manageable parts. Enhance collaboration in software development through modular design. Okay. Key principle of OOPS. So, the introduce the four pillar of OOPS as these are the core ideas that make OOPS powerful. So, the first is encapsulation, second is inheritance, third is polymorphism, and abstraction. Okay. So the benefit of OOPS. So the first is modularity. So the code is organized into a classes and objects, making it easier to manage and debug. For example, a class can have a separate classes for user, product, and orders. The second one is reusability. Once a class is written, it can be reused in the other parts of the application or even other projects. For example, a logger class can be used across a multiple projects. So the benefit of OOPS is a third is scalability. Application built using OOPS are easier to scale since adding a new features often means creating a new classes or objects without changing existing ones. For example, in a banking application, we are adding a new account, saving account or a business account. So might just involve a creating a new class that inherit from a account. In the real world mapping, programs closely resemble real world system which makes them intuitive to design and understand. For example, a school system could have objects like student, teachers, and classroom. Thanks for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Don't forget to check out the video description for the links of a code of GitHub and other related videos. Your support helps me create more amazing content for you. See you in the next video. Happy coding!